There's no substitute. Classic 356 original. The wooden body frame of the 356 Cayenne Turbo Electric 911 Carrera GTS Smyrna Green. My old hood, the Liangma Business District, now becoming a new popular tourist spot because of the Liangma River, now turned into what's called the little sign in China in the east. And I'm going to go to a special pop-up today from a well-known sports car brand just down the river. I used to work just not far away from here, just down the road toward that area. And you will see the silhouette of what I'm visiting just popping up next to the river, the little checkered mosaic. And those that know the brand knows what this brand is. We're chilling in the Liangma River, cooling off and taking a dip. And now you see it's coming to view. It is the Porsche Pop-Up next to the Liangma River. And this opened earlier this month and will stay open, I think, until the November timeframe. It's got 2 stories, a little coffee shop in the back, a little balcony. Great setting in the heart of the Liangma district. Yeah, so I've made it to the Porsche Pop-Up here next to the Liangma River, a popular spot now in Beijing. And this thing opened earlier this month and will run to November timeframe. So it'll be here for a few months. I couldn't miss this. This is my home, my second home. I used to work not too far from here, so I used to have my lunch walks along this river, which is now much more cleaner and more scenic, and there's much more to do. And now Porsche, as we know, they're under extreme pressure in the Chinese market. They sold less than 10,000 units in the second quarter. This is the 25th year of Porsche official entry into the Chinese market, but their sales have kind of been coming down ever since 2019-ish, actually reaching as high as close to 100,000 units. To this year, probably they will not get out of 40,000 units in the Chinese market, 30% roughly around that sales drop. So they're under extreme pressure, and they're going to integrate, close some of the existing dealerships and showrooms down to 100 in the Chinese market. But this is a nice experience to have while I'm here. I'm going to go check it out. And it's just next to these office buildings next to the Liangma River. This is a Qihao building. Actually, it's quite compact. And you see these bench seats with the different color variations of Porsche outside the building, special checkered. And I'm going to go in and have a look. Hello, 你好. So I just came in the Porsche Pop-Up. This little area here. I'm gonna put my bag down, some Porsche China memories. And look at this guy. You know that guy? And this is a special caliper that's been popular. It's now become an art form. And then you have the 911 Targa related products. Check out the staircase. It's got the rear spoilers of the different generations of the GTs from 911. And then this is actually the Cayenne Turbo Electric, one of the few that's in the Chinese market. And it's got this special turbo light badge that we're going to see more of. That's the latest generation 911. Love the color. And as you know, 911 a few years ago celebrated its 60-year anniversary. And there's a little father and son action here. 911 Carrera GTS, right smack in the center. And then these are some of the memorabilia of the different generations of the 911. The code numbers. The 911 soundbar, 26,800 RMB, which is like $4,000. And then there's other style products, cups, bags, cups, totes, luggage. And this is a special 930 turbo T-tray spoiler. statements from Ferdinand Porsche, design father of the 911. And then we've got this coffee shop. If you see this coffee shop, the rear wall is made up, the skyline is made up of their different models, names. Panorama, Macan. And here are the different generations of the badges that I talked about. The evolution of the icon, so we'll check it out. So the 1952, 1954, 1953, 1993, 1994, 2008, 2023, and what we just saw on the Cayenne Turbo Electric, the Turbonite. The famous quote from Barry Porsche, different generations of the steering wheels, models. This is kind of interesting today because it's the same day that I'm attending the Xiaomi Sky Nomad launch, and I was just at the Xiaomi customization lab yesterday at their super factory and played with the leather and made a. And here's their original classic 356, and I'm hearing there's a wooden body of this somewhere, maybe upstairs. The OG of Porsche. So I probably will get a coffee a bit later on. These little thingies. And a chill section. With the wheel spoke. And you see the rug is with the design, kind of the drawings. And check out the detail of this checkered, it's very Porsche. And in the back, dark car, I actually saw a 911 dark car in Beijing a couple of days ago. Some more of these stylish products you can take. That set of T is 5,500 RMB. Caps, about 600 RMB, close to $100. Luggages. More of these styling products. Ooh, I actually have one of the 911 60th anniversary cups, but maybe I should get one of these ahead. This is not on sale yet in China, I believe. Okay, let's try to go upstairs. There's no substitute. That is the wooden body of the 356 that we talked about. And then these are kind of the customization lab. Check out this color. There's more. What color is this? Oh, that's the Sonderwurst. The customization part of the Porsche. So we just saw the mountain green of the Sky Nomad. I don't know what color this is. 这颜色叫什么呀？叫什么？ Oh. Okay, I'm just asking her what the color is. Oh, it's called the Smyrna Green. Oh, next to the Agent C. And this wall is made up of different colors of the key fobs. And if you go far away, it shapes like a 911. Smyrna Green, Sonderwurst. And this is very special. So this is actually the original, the wooden body frame of the 356, how Porsche started. And in the back wall, you have very Porsche. Again, famous words, the last car ever built will be a sports car. And then this is kind of the customization area. There's actually a work area. Different wheels, spokes. Actually, I have one of these books, sports cars. The different colors. along the green. So you pull this open and there's more colors. 谢谢, So quite well done. And you see the So I went through this mini program where you go through and customize a car, and you get some of these swags, including some postcards that will keepsake. I probably get more. All right, this is how it should be. Checking out the Liangma River, the little sign. At the terrace of the Porsche Pop-Up in Beijing, one more time. And actually, my office is somewhere over there. So. And then up on the ceiling, there's these design sketches scattered around. And it goes into the Sonderwunsch with the smarter green. That's how it is. And down with the wooden model of the 356. And the future, the past, and the future. Easter egg 彩蛋996天鹅996 inside the Qihao building.